item number 10, supplementary hearing. Maybe so my senior is not here today, so it may be listed after 2 weeks.
Why? He'll not coming for 2 weeks.
No, you not today.
What is there left here in this matter after
Lordship.
that judgment?
Actually, it's a appeal against the writ petition where the appointment was cancelled.
Your termination was challenged. This court held that your appointment is also bad.
Lordship.
Here, on the
Please.
prayer of MS Swanso, learned counsel for the appellant listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship, one criminal appeal pending matter. It's matter administration from 27.
27.
Supplementary hearing. Long pending matter, 2022 matter.
Why don't we have it in the first week of March?
That matter.
We'll list it on 4th.
Court of-
Yes, yes.
Alright.
May I, my lord?
Yes.
My lord. Item number 9, my lord.
Item 9. Lord. Yes.
My lord,
Learned
here, my
counsel
lord.
for the-
I'm for the Mr. On
You're
behalf
for
of Titi Tara, my lord. On behalf of Titi Tara, amicus curiae.
Counsel for
But they
Amicus curiae, my lord.
no respondent.
Amicus curiae, my lord. He was appointed
he was for the appellant.
amicus curiae. Titi Tara, my lord. On behalf of
You
Titi
were
Tara.
supposed to file a written argument here.
Yes, my lord. His health is not well today, my lord. That's why, my lord. I'm seeking for adjournment, my lord.
Mr. Swanso, learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. T.T. Tara, amicus curiae, and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Much of it.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, we'll issue notice.
May I please, Lordship?
No, say nothing. We want to dismiss it. But for generosity, we are issuing notice.
My lord. Lordship, this is completely violation of the
I
Arunachal.
know, you are a
Yes.
contractor yourself. Why didn't you file a writ
My lord,
petition?
we are not a
Actually, you have
contractor.
not made a statement in the writ petition that you were not in the knowledge of these things.
Going through your PIL,
Yes.
we find that this is a personal interest litigation.
My lord,
You are actually filing this petition on behalf of the unsuccessful tenderer.
Tender.
That is what we
To
say,
overcome the
nothing more.
delay. Overcome the delay.
Okay. Third, Mr. Swanso. Learned counsel for the petitioner.
1 to 5 by the council.
Yes.
6.
By my lord, I'll be representing.
Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks' time. Mr. RH Nabam,
My lord.
learned additional AG,
1 to 5.
accepts notice on behalf of respondent number
1 to 5.
1 to 5. Therefore, no formal notice not be served. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned additional advocate general within
my lord, within 3 weeks.
a period, no, within
No.
a period of
Will 3 days.
3 days from today. Insofar as respondent number 6 is concerned,
Yes.
the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondent by registered post with AD within a period of
3 days, my lord.
3 days from, within a period of 3 days from today, listed after 4 weeks.
Highly obliged.
The maintainability of the writ petition shall be kept open.
My lord.
My lord.
Item number 2.
Yes, my lord. I'm appearing on behalf of DK Das. Mr. P is my lord, unable to appear in today.
You are appearing on behalf of
DK Das, my lord.
DK Das.
DK Das.
DK Das.
Yes, my lord.
DK Das is for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Well, petition.
Okay. What is your prayer?
My prayer is, my lord, adjourned for my lord. And my lord, my respondent is still yet to be filed in the affidavit in opposition.
Okay. Step down, step down.
Who is appearing for the union?
My lord.
You are appearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Why don't you bring your stand on record? Everything is insults upon you. Two parties are fighting. One says alignment A, another says alignment B. Alignment B approved by the parties, subject to your approval.
Well,
You come on record. You know which is better for the national security.
exactly.
We can't decide. If your opinion comes on record, we can dispose it of.
my lord, at least some more time may be granted. My
You
lord.
have been, that is the only thing this court was doing from January.
My lord.
Anyway, sir.
My lord, I have
Tado,
received the copy of the, my lord, the
You
instruction.
are for respondent number
My lord, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Use the language.
8, 9, and 10, my lord.
one,
And
1, 2, 3, 4,
8, 9, 10, my lord.
8, 9, 10.
And my lord, in respect of respondent number 9, I have received the instruction, my lord. And in respect of, my lord, the main, my lord, respondent is respondent number 3, 8, and 10, my lord. BR, my lord.
It would be the ministry.
My
You
lord.
will have to get your instructions from the ministry.
Ministry.
My lord, this respondent number 3 is under ministry, my lord, and who is
But-
executing the
but-
work in the field, my lord.
But the approval, because this is a
Correct.
border area dispute, thing. Get
Uh,
your instructions from the
Yes, madam.
source.
Mr. M. Tado.
You are the deputy SGA.
My lord.
DSGI. Shall file the affidavit. Bringing out the stand of respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, and 10. Within a period of 3 weeks from today. Listen.
My lord, some specific days may be fixed in March, any date.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Let them file affidavit.
Development.
Item number 3.
Yes.
3 and 4 are connected. So,
It's a legal vote.
put a-
My lord, here,
One way, is it for concurrent?
my lord, I need some more time to file reply, my lord. The client was out of station. I could not contact. Recently, I contacted him, my lord. Because affidavit of opposition filed by the forest department, my lord, in the read appeal.
Only one thing, whether this is forest land or not. Your road will pass through a forest
Yes,
land.
yes, but that's why, my lord, because forest department was not the party in the writ petition.
So how can we bring them here?
Now, no, my lord, by the order of this honorable court, forest department has been made part. Now the forest department has filed affidavit of opposition. I need to reply it.
Mr. M. Sonar.
Ask-
R. Sonar, I'm sorry. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Shall file affidavit in reply. To the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number.
My lord, respondent number 2 in writ appeal number 12, my lord.
Respondent number 2
Writ
in WA.
12, my lord.
12 of.
Item number 4.
Lordship, item number 3 we are taking up.
No, together. Yeah.
In appeal number 12, WA 12/2023, within a period of 3 weeks from today. Okay.
Okay.
You satisfy this court on that point?
My lord, my lord.
Yes.
Four also same, if we go together, sir.
Fine, fine. Look, this is a, my lord, criminal appeal, my lord. Is directed against the impugned judgment, my lord, 18/12/2013. And the consequential impugned order on sentence dated 21/12/2023, passed by the special judge Bondila, my lord, convicting the appellant, my lord, for 20 years of
There's IAS work. IAS was.
my lord, what is the palpable wrong in this party? Because here is the case only because of the, my lord, age of the victim, my lord, determined by the learned special court, my lord. That the determination of the age, my lord, the learned court has come to the conclusion, my
So case number 4/2022 and convicting the appellant under section 6 of the POCSO Act read with section 376 of the Indian Penal Code and the consequential impugned order on sentence dated 21/12/2023, sentencing the accused appellant to undergo 20 years RI and payment of fine of rupees 20,000 under section 6 of the POCSO Act, and in default of the payment of the fine to undergo further imprisonment of 3 months.
My lord, court records may be called, my lord.
Issue notice to the respondents, returnable within 4 weeks. MS3 Ginny appears for the state respondent. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner, appellant, shall however take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post with AD within a period of
3 days.
3 days from today. Call for the records from the court below.
Okay, my lord, I guess my lord, 7/2024 for the suspension of the sentence, my lord.
Yes.
Then next date, my lord, for hearing.
Yes, notice in the IE also, notice.
Then
Same thing.
Yeah.
Same.
much.
Item number 6.
My lord, respondent number 8 and 9, service is still awaited. And
Notice not
other,
dated 17
to,
2024 states that service report in respect of respondent 8 and 9 are still awaited. Stop. Awaiting service report. Let's stop it 2 weeks.
my lord, it's a long pending. My lord, I may be allowed to take a alternative route of take
Let us, after
service,
2
my lord.
weeks, we'll give you that opportunity after 2 weeks.
Through publication of.
After 2 weeks, we'll give you that opportunity. Okay, yes, next.
Yes.
Item number 7.
Yeah, this is item 6. Item 6. Item 6. Item, AB, item 6. On the next day, the registry to give status report.
With regard to service.
Mail also, this is,
Delays.
with regard to this,
Yes.
against the
Notice is
accused, there is a conviction, of 12 years with rigorous imprison, with a fine of, 5,000 in default, 6 months. Further custody, of 6 months. In this case, lordship, since it is a statutory appeal, notice may be issued at least.
Lordship, today they have filed IA for the condonation, Lordship.
One is condemnation of delay,
Delay.
First of all, we hear the condonation, Lordship.
condemnation, in that condemnation that, notice may be issued. Condemnation application, IA has been filed for condemnation of delay period. Delay in filing the appeal.
Third, Mr. Sons. Learned counsel for the applicant. The application has been filed under section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 for continuation of delay of 129 days in filing the criminal appeal against the impugned judgment dated 8/8/2023 and sentence order dated 9/8/2023 passed by the special judge within Brigade Oxo, Konsar Division, Tirap District, Arunachal Pradesh. Issue notice to the respondents, return vote, which forwards that. MS L. Halim, the learned additional public prosecutor, appears for the state respondents. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner, appellant, shall however take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post with AD within a period of
Within
within a period of
2 weeks.
within a period of 2 weeks for steps
Maybe 1 week or 2 weeks.
within a period of 7 days from today.
7 days.
All right, sir.
All right.
So there is a issue.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
This is a criminal appeal, my lord.
The appointment of legal aid counsel is under process.
Yes, my lord, but in terms of this notification, my lord, now it's not mandatory for the appointment of the appearance of the the victim respondent, my lord.
There is a note that they have initiated the process for appointment of a legal aid counsel. Maybe she had made some application, but no counsel has been appointed till now.
But in terms of this, my lord, this is not necessary now. The public prosecutor can represent the victim or the informant, my lord. Except in the POSCO.
It shall be obligatory for this. No, it's required that they may be made party respondents. They are required to be made party respondents.
Initially, that was been, my lord, deleted now.
You have that notification. Amended rule 1A shall be thus read as follows. It shall be obligatory for the appellant,
Yes,
petitioners to
this has been omitted, my lord, this part,
By what?
by this notification, my
But
lord.
here, this notification again.
In
brings it-
supersession of all previous order,
This
what we had.
notification is silent on that.
I'm not, just read it once more.
Yes, yes, my lord, now it was the
In
in
supersession
suspension of the all previous order, Guwahati has been pleased to amend chapter so and so, rules and so, by deleting the number 374, appearing the rule 1A, amended rule 1A, shall be thus
Shall be
as
thus.
is follows. So
So
this,
this is how it stands now.
Ah,
no.
The
This
amended
This has
rule
been amended,
I say-
deleting.
shall be thus read as follows.
No, this has been coded by deleting the 374. It was the 374.
Okay,
This
you
was,
mean to say conviction is under 374 here?
yes, 374 has been deleted. Earlier, my lord, there was a mandatory to implead the respondent, victim, or the informant. Now, by this rule, my lord, this has been deleted, except in the case of a POSCO.
Brings it back.
Now, that is my understanding.
But he says that his appeal is under the provisions of 374 CRPC. So when it is under CRPC 374, that 374 having been removed, it's not obligatory. The provision of appeal, this provision will be cut. Because appeal is filed under section 374. That has been, we got it. But Mr. Bora, there being an order, there being a process, maybe she has approached this court. We don't know because there is
Because the
already-
earlier notice has been served, nobody has appeared.
No, but I
That's
think.
why the court has pleased to appoint an,
So
am I
this order is 17-2.
Yes.
This was before the registry. But still they have proceeded with the matter. We'll give them one opportunity. We will make a note of this also.
Yes.
Otherwise, it may not look. Because this court has passed an order. Now it will be like reviewing that order.
No, but this notice was not placed
Was
before
not
the,
brought. But
Yes.
374 is being taken out. We are
Yes,
not
yes.
satisfied with that. So, because the court has been, so you can ask the registry to
Mr. So-and-so,
on this.
Leonard Senior Counsel. Assisted by
Bhagavati.
so-and-so. For the appellant.
Yes.
And MS L. Hagi, the learned additional public prosecutor. For the state respondents. Office note dated 17/2/2024. States that in terms of the order dated 31/1/2024 passed by this court. The registry has initiated the appointment procedure of legal aid counsel and is currently under process. Stop. 2 weeks' time is accordingly granted to the registry to appoint the legal aid counsel in the case. Stop. The notification dated 21/12/2021 produced by the learned counsel for the appellant shall be placed on record, listed after 3 weeks.
That can be taken note of, my lord, next day, my lord. If nobody appears,
Okay. Registry is also directed to take note of the notification dated 21/12/2021. Okay.
if the next date nobody appears, my
We'll
lord,
proceed in terms of this notification. We'll proceed for hearing. Given a last chance, 2 weeks, if they appoint, otherwise we'll proceed.
publish.
By the times, my lord, we are apprehending state
State
board,
holiday means even the process of contract will come to a stall.
my lord.
At least let the other side be heard.
My lord. Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. Yeah. Okay.
Development.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I'm filing in IA, lordship. There is a typographical error which the order passed by this honorable court on 4/2/2024, lordship. Only that typographical error, it needs to be corrected, lordship. So I'm filing this IA, lordship. This may be taken up at the last item, lordship.
What did you submit? Typographical error.
Lordship.
In what?
In the order, lordship, passed by this honorable court, lordship.
What is that error?
Lordship, there was a error as the submission made by the parties, lordship. The writ petition was allowed and disposed of, lordship. Instead of that, there was a word withdrawn has been written in the order, lordship.
Yeah, instead of that, it has been.
Withdrawn.
So what? You want me to add the word allowed?
Lordship, instead of Lordship, allow Lordship, it has to be disposed of Lordship, because the vote withdrawn, I have not been used either by the parties, Lordship. It has been simply,
On the basis of the submission made by the other side,
Lordship,
what is your submission? Your submission is to withdraw, nothing more. Implied? Or you still want to keep the writ matter pending?
no, Lordship, the vote withdrawn, Lordship, it will be prejudice to me, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, if the department is not comply with the order passed by this honorable court, Lordship, there is no liberty has been given.
The state council has submitted
Lordship,
that they will not be contesting the writ petition.
Lordship, they have conceded the prayer made by the.
They have considered,
Lordship,
and in view of the submission, you are withdrawing your writ petition. What more? How do I actually take that matter up without withdrawing?
Lordship, withdrawing will prejudice.
Allowed means after hearing on merit. Okay, we'll dismiss it, but you can file. You can file. We'll hear you, but I have actually this matter was brought to me in my chamber.
Lordship,
I have not made any correction. I said no. Let it remain as it is. It is withdrawing. That is actually the correct word.
Lordship, to my humble understanding, Lordship.
Yes, you filed. But I'm warning you, I'm rejecting your application. Yes, next.
Then this matter may be late, so taken up day after tomorrow.
Today. Let it be listed today.
Lordship.
Yes, what is this?
My lord, item number 1, Lordship, is the earlier writ petition, Lordship, wherein I have not annexed the supply order, Lordship. And item number 2 is the subsequent writ petition, Lordship. The subject matter is same, Lordship.
In the subsequent writ petition,
I have annexed the supply order, Lordship. During the filing of this,
what is wrong? Yes.
may,
68.
Lordship. May, Lordship.
Your subsequent is 68.
No, 70, Lordship. Writ petition number 70.
70.
Yes.
What was the order passed in 68?
And writ petition 60, Lordship, only notice, 68 notice was issued, Lordship, because Lordship, here in 68, we could not annex the supply order, Lordship.
We will list it along with 68.
Yes, Lordship. Now, Lordship, after the filing of this fresh writ petition number 70, Lordship, it has become almost infrastructure, Lordship, because the subject matter issue involved is same, Lordship. Only the thing is that by this subsequent writ petition, we have annexed the supply order, Lordship, issued by the respondent authority
For the same work or for different work?
for the same work, Lordship.
Same petitioner?
Yes, Lordship.
Same petitioner?
Yes, Lordship. Only the issue was that, Lordship, during the time of this hearing of this writ petitioner 68, the counsel for the department, he has placed the supply order.
No, my lord.
So therefore, this honorable court could not proceed with the passing of the interim order in item number 68 because there was fresh development. In view of the supply order issued by the respondent authority, was it not impugned in the earlier writ petition number 68, Lordship, and only notice was issued. And we had to come up with this fresh writ petition, Lordship, by annexing that supply order. We are now impugning 4 orders, Lordship.
Same petitioner, same respondents.
Yes, Lordship. But the cause of action, Lordship, as I have submitted, Lordship, in that
writ petition lordship, we have not annexed the supply order, which is the fresh cause of action. On that day only, when this matter was taken up, I can remember this writ petition 68 was taken up, were made to learn that supply order has also been issued. So therefore, now lordship, coming to the fact of the case, lordship, the petitioner lordship is a contractor which has been enlisted as a contractor in the state. So there was a NIT lordship for procurement of materials for lordship.
Respondent number 6 is already supplying the materials.
Yes, my lord. It is about to be completed, my lord. What happened, my lord, in item number 2, writ petition 68, my lord. Notice has been issued, my lord. Now, without taking any steps, they have subsequently filed another writ petition, my lord. This first order has not been followed till date, my lord. They have not taken any steps upon the private respondent and the state respondent. That is the first thing, my lord. And while passing this order, my lord, 13/2/2024 in writ petition 68 of 24, my lord was of considered opinion that there was a considerable delay, my lord, because L1 was conferred on 11 December 2023, my lord. Now they are challenging, my lord, after lapse of 2 months. And when the award has been given to the work award has been given to the private respondent, it is about to be completed, my lord. Page 26 of the writ petition, my lord, 71. Even, my lord, to my instruction, my lord, he has been given 2 works, my lord.
He has been given
2 works, my lord.
2 works.
CD block of Sarli and one of Polosang, my lord.
And he still wonders.
Yes.
No, lordship, that is not the instruction, lordship, I have, lordship. And lordship, if at all such work is given to the petitioner, lordship. In fact,
The respondent number 6 has already started the supply.
Yes.
lordship, whatever, lordship, but
If you have any grievances or if you feel that you are prejudiced, you can always approach the civil court for
Yes.
claiming damages.
lordship,
That is the law.
Yes.
lordship, how lordship, the authority can go ahead with this illegality, lordship? Because lordship, my pride is submitting that I ought to have approached this honorable
That
court
is why I'm saying.
promptly. Now, lordship,
You are prejudiced by, you are saying that you are prejudiced by the procedures adopted. Now, if you are prejudiced, if you have a case in law, you approach the civil court.
lordship, kindly let
for
me,
damages.
allow me to submit for a 2 minutes, lordship.
I'm allowing you, but no stay.
I'll show 2 documents
Yes,
only,
I'm
lordship.
allowing you, please.
Now, lordship, come to page number 29, lordship.
Yes,
Page number 29, lordship, is the comparative statement, lordship. On the left hand side is the tender bid, placed by the respondent number 6. And the total amount, lordship, which he has offered is 2 crore 15 lakhs, 4,181, lordship.
and yours is 213,
Yes, lordship.
matter of 2 lakhs.
Whatever, lordship, this document has got some importance, lordship. I kindly appreciate, lordship. This is the comparative statement prepared by the department, lordship. And the law of contract says the lowest bidder shall be awarded the work. If
Not
there is
necessarily, not necessarily.
not necessarily,
L1, not
but
necessarily.
then lordship, if there is,
It
okay,
depends on various
yes.
circumstances.
if there is any anomalies, then of course L1 can be denied the work, lordship. But since they have not said anything, that although you have put lower price than the respondent, but they have not said anything.
Yes, what is
But-
the next round?
Now, my lordship, my next ground is that, lordship, there is a CPW manual, lordship, lordship is aware of that, lordship. Bidders who, the variation, who bid, who could quote a rate beyond 10%, that this should not be accepted. That is there in the CPWD manual, and in Arunachal Lordship is awarded CPWD manual is this followed while this is issuing NIT. Lordship, may I take you to the CPWD manual Lordship.
Read it.
It says, Lordship, variation up to 5 over the justified rate is ignored. Variation up to 10 is allowed for peculiar situation and in special circumstances. Reason for doing so is placed on record. Tenders above this limit are not accepted. Now, also, I'll just show what amount the respondent number 6 has quoted Lordship. And before the Lordship may take you to the rate, the justified rate prescribed by the department. It is at page number 28, Lordship. Lordship, item number 9, Lordship, serial number 9. CIB Lordship. This is Citizen Information Board. For this Lordship, the department has prescribed 7,626 rupees. Meaning thereby Lordship, there can only be variation of 5%. Either it should be 5%, within 5% low or within 5% above. But Lordship, kindly now come to the price quote by the respondent Lordship against this material Lordship. Lordship has seen the prescribed rate also. Now Lordship, come to page number 34 Lordship.
Private respondent has quoted 10,000
Yes, Lordship.
and you?
I have quoted 6,000. And I was within the prescribed rate also. My early come to page number 52 also. Is the price quoted by the petitioner also. Lordship, 53. Next page is the type copy also. It is the figure is clear here. I have quoted 6,863. Now, Lordship, this 10,000 Lordship, this is 31% above the justified rate Lordship, which is not at all permissible. As Lordship, we have seen in the CPD manual, it has prescribed that if the variation is within 5%, it's okay. And in certain cases, it can even go up to 10%. But in no case it should go beyond 10% Lordship. Here, Lordship, the variation is 31%. And Lordship, this is not the only case, Lordship. There are so many items, Lordship. I have even pleaded in my writ petition, Lordship. Specifically, I have made a prayer, Lordship. In Lordship, likewise, Lordship may again then come to how this anomaly has happened, Lordship. Lordship may again come to, I will just, Lordship, there are so many anomalies, Lordship, but I will just show your Lordship two more items, Lordship. Item number 33 and 34, Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to page number 23 again, Lordship. sorry, 28. Page number 28, serial number 30, 33 and 34 Lordship. Lordship, here the,
33 and 34.
yes, Lordship. There are so many anomalies, Lordship, but I will not repeat all those anomalies, but I will just repeat 33 and 34 Lordship. Here, Lordship, the quantity is given as 109 in item number 33, and item number 33 quantity is 186. Per unit is the cost ought to have been 109 for item number 33 and 106 for item number 34. Now, this is the justified rate prescribed by the department Lordship. Justified rate is 1,222 for item number 33 and item number 34, 2,130. But Lordship, now come to the bid quoted by the respondent again, Lordship. Now, Lordship, kindly turn to page number 46. Lordship, this provision in the CPW manual is given, enshrined in the manual because if a person got much higher rate, then he will not be able to perform the work, Lordship. There will be sub-standard. The contractor will not be executing the work as per the specification given by the department. That's why, Lordship, this variation limit has been given in the CPD manual. So if the variation cannot be beyond 10% in either case, nor it should be above 10%, nor it should be beyond 10%. Now, here in this case, Lordship, the respondent number 6 had put such a low price, Lordship. At this rate, work cannot be executed, Lordship. It will not be, they will not be able to perform the contract, Lordship. Now, Lordship has seen the item, for item number 33, plastic coil 5. The justified rate prescribed is 1,222. But the respondent, he is ready to work supply this item with at a rate of 199 per unit. That is not at all possible. That is why, Lordship, this provision in the CPD manual has been prescribed. Because, Lordship, if at least if department is giving a justified rate of 1,222, then that material cannot be purchased at the rate of 199. So therefore, he has prescribed quoted such a rate within which he cannot perform the contract work. That is why, Lordship, there is a favor, there is a male fide in issuing the
He is
LOA.
already performing.
Lordship.
He is already performing.
No, Lordship.
Already supplying.
No, Lordship. That is no, Lordship. He has no. In fact,
Let us
Lordship.
hear him. Let us hear him.
Lordship. I am agreeing to your Lordship.
Yes,
defending
let us see your impugn orders. Let us see.
Yes, Lordship.
Let us see your impugn orders.
Impugn order is at the first impugn order is at page number 26, Lordship. This is board proceeding. Sorry about that. Page number 26 is the board proceeding, Lordship. This
Just
is
wait.
this is impugn.
Just
And
wait.
Lordship.
Just wait. And then next one,
Next one is at page number, Lordship. Page number 72. 72, Lordship.
7-2.
Yes, LOL. Issued on 10/1/24.
70,
7 and 2, Lordship, 72.
72.
Yes. And third impugn order is the agreement, Lordship, entered on 11/11/2024. At page number 73 and 74. And the fourth one is the supply order, Lordship. Now, now, Lordship,
You are making a submission that the writ quoted by the respondent number 6, it will not be possible to supply the material.
yes, Lordship, and Lordship, kindly,
Let the respondent number, private respondent answer.
ki-
He has taken that responsibility by quoting this price.
Lordship, kindly, this appreciate the response by the department, Lordship. On the Lordship, when this matter was taken up, this writ petition number 68, Lordship, only we have supplied a copy to the respondent department through studying council. On the day fixed for motion, next day, he has brought this new document showing this honorable court that already supply order has been issued. Now, Lordship has seen this matter.
Whether you mean to say that
Yeah,
the
yeah.
supply order placed by the Leonard government advocate is tempered?
No, I am not saying that, Lordship. I am not, but Lordship, as he is submitting now, the London Council for the department is submitting that work has already been almost this completed. Now, to that regard, Lordship, he has not show this honorable court any document. If at all, Lordship, the respondent number 6 had executed the work, department ought to have furnished some instruction.
Are you withdrawing 68?
68, Lordship, yes, Lordship. I will be doing 68, Lordship. At least, Lordship, in all the matters, related matters, Lordship,
So Leonard
this
Council
honorable court has stated
submits that he has instructions to withdraw the writ petition. This is 68, okay? Writ petition is accordingly allowed to be withdrawn. Yes, we'll pass the order.
Lordship, before this, Lordship, I'll just make one clarification, Lordship. Only with regard to this, the price prescribed by the respondent number 6. At page number 34, Lordship, I have
You have
shown,
made submission.
yes,
I'm
I have
present.
shown, Lordship, he has quoted 10,000, but
I'm passing the order.
Lordship.
But no interim.
Lordship, kindly, if
Yes.
interim order is not given, Lordship, then Lordship,
He is
petitioner
already
will be
applying.
prejudiced. No, Lordship.
If you are prejudiced, that's why I'm telling you, file suit for damages in the civil court. That is the option. You have both. Yes, next.
Obliged.
Yes. Yes,
May
yes.
please your honor. May please your lordship. Lordship, this is regarding the admitted pending bill, your lordship. Lordship, this Lordship, this
For non-payment of balance bill,
yes, non-payment,
non-payment of balance bill.
yes, balance bill.
What is your estimated amount?
Estimate estimate amount is lordship, this 6 crore 21 lakhs 6 crore 21 lakhs 56,254 rupees. Now
56,000, 6 crore 21 lakhs, 56,000. 200 and,
6 crore.
you tell me in figure, just one.
Yes,
one-
6 crore 21 lakhs 56,254 rupees.
254.
Yes.
That's the estimated.
Yes, and out of this, your lordship, 5 crore 11 lakhs 93,000, 5 crore 11 lakhs 93,817 has already paid.
What is the outstanding balance?
Standing balance is, your lordship, is 1 crore 9 lakhs 62,400,
1 crore
9 lakhs
9 lakhs
62,437
62,437
rupees.
62,437.
Rupees.
Any representation submitted?
Yes, representation was submitted before this respondent authorities. And but this they are not response. That's why this instant this
Where is your representation? Take me to the pages.
this representation is your lordship is page 25, annexures 8. And 18 to 2023, I have submitted one representation before this secretary. Then after this, again same day, this Chief Engineering Eastern Zone PWD Namsai. And 8/12/2023, this I've submitted a representation before the Superintendent Engineer Punsa PWD District Tirap. It was a respondent number 3. And this 8/12/2023, and I have submitted before the respondent authority to particular respondent number 4, Executive Engineer PW Kanubari Division Your Lordship. But after filing of the respondent, this representation, this respondent authority was not taking my grievances. So that's why this instant writ petition has filed before this court.
Madam, take down the names. Madam, you are appearing for
all the respondents,
all the respondents.
Yes.
Okay, please take down the names.
1 to 4.
Okay, we'll pass order.
Okay, yes, obliged.
Item number 4.
My lord, can you pass about a matter for tamping? Sir is other court.
Pardon?
Pass about a matter for tamping.
You're for the petitioner?
Yes, sir.
Lordship, there is a 5 respondent in this case. This is in regard to the notice for appointment of regular rural retail outlet, petrol pump, dealership in state of Arunachal Pradesh. Matter is.
Yes. Continue.
Lordship, the case is that the petitioner back to state that Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited has issued advertisement in daily newspaper of Eco Arunachal in its dated 28/6/2023, inviting application from eligible candidates for appointment of regular rural outlet petrol pump dealership at various locations of state of Arunachal Pradesh. It was stated in the said notice that the detailed advertisement and brochure of the selection are available in the website. And the last date for submission of the online application was fixed on 27/9/2023. Lordship. Then what happened, Lordship? According to this advertisement, the petitioner gone through their portal and obtained the document, as per their required documents, applied the application. Lordship, the advertisement copy is in page number 21. Advertisement. Page 21 and 22. Annexure 1. Notice for appointment of regular retail outlet petrol pump dealership. So this was the advertisement. Thereafter, what happened, Lordship? The applicant applied application number, that is annexure 53. Annexure 3, page number 59, Lordship. Application was submitted on page number 59. Page number 59, annexure 3, Lordship, in my petition. Lordship, my application number BPC 16951236777
Just wait, just wait.
dated
Just wait.
Lordship.
Hmm.
Dated 90.
You want to, you had applied for opening the outlet at MS
NS,
NKC
yeah,
depot
to
Hodge on
yes,
NS39.
Lordship.
Okay, then
IOC, that is name of the location, that is IOCL retail outlet MS NKC petrol depot to Hodge NH13. Lordship, that is nearby only from Doimok to that Hodge.
okay, next.
Thereafter, what happened, Lordship, that application submitted on 19/09/2023.
When did you submit your application?
19,
Where is the date?
that here in the top of my, the application number, next up, just after the application number, down below.
Application date 19/9/2023.
Lordship.
Okay.
Thereafter, Lordship, what happened? There was 28 applicant for the same the retail outlet. That is in annexure page 62, Lordship. So total 28 candidates were qualified.
For the same.
Yes, for same.
location.
Same.
For the same location.
For the same location, Lordship. And my serial number is
Yes, wait.
page number 62, Lordship.
28.
Page 62.
Yours
Annex-
is
My serial number is 14 here.
14.
Yes, Lordship. And then
Just wait, just wait.
group 1,
Just wait.
serial number 14, Lordship.
That means 28 firms were selected.
Yes. And Lordship, after what happened, the respondent authority, more particularly respondent number 5, territorial manager, head office is Guwahati, sent a letter to the petitioner. That page number, Lordship, 64. This is a letter to the petitioner to Mrs. So-and-so. Subject application for award of RO dealership at IOCL MS NKC petrol depot to Hodge on to NH13 district of Arunachal Pradesh for open category. Please refer your advertisement application number so and so for RO dealership. We are pleased to inform you that you have qualified for draw of lotship. For selection of RO dealership, you are requested to present personally along with photo identity card issued by any government department on 7 December 2023 at 10:55 hours at the following addresses. That is Hotel Royal Highness, GNB Road, Tinsukia. Lordship, this was the letter, the letter sent by the respondent number 5, the territorial manager of the BPCL to me. So accordingly, after obtaining this, after getting this, receiving this letter, then we participated on 7th, at 7 December. On 7 December, we
Just wait, let me just take a look at this.
On,
Yes, wait.
on 7 December, we,
Just wait, just
Oh.
wait. This is written by which respondent?
respondent number 5.
So by this,
By this,
you were
this letter,
informed
yes,
to have qualified
qualified.
draw of lots.
In law, lordship. Then I went to Tinsukia and attended the draw on 7th December.
Hmm.
And I was selected. That is
Where?
selected. I won that draw. That's
Where is the documents to show that you were selected?
page 66, page 66. Page 66. After this, they have uploaded this document, and thereafter, within no moment, they have deleted. Then luckily, I snapshot this copy. Snapshot this copy. That is serial number 14.
Maybe inadvertently. Maybe inadvertently. You were not selected, but maybe inadvertently they have not, I think, notified your name.
No. I will come to the point also. Then selected, status is selected here. Status selected. Page 66.
Yes.
Page 66, annexure 5 series. Selected. Thereafter, Lord,
Just
say,
wait, just wait. Page 66.
page 66. Lord.
66, this is, what is this in fact?
This is the
Application
after draw with
group type.
after draw of the lot, they upload this document in their portal. Annexure 66, annexure 5, page 66.
In the portal of which respondent?
Respondent number 5. Respondent that lordship, that means the BPCL. Then as per their rules, after getting selected in the lot, then I have to deposit the 50,000 rupees as initial security deposit amount. Accordingly, I have deposited 50,000. That is page 65, lordship.
Page 65.
65. Page 65, annexure 5 series.
65.
65. Petitioner name is in the top. Then merchant name, that is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Location IOCL ROMS NKC Petrol Depot 2 Accords NS13. Date of payment 17 December 23. Amount 50,000 lots. This was the initial security deposit amount we paid after selected the loan.
This is ISD. This 50,000 is ISD.
Yes, ISD. Initial security
security
deposit amount. Initial security deposit amount. Then lordship, what happened later? Later on 17th January, that is page 67, annexure 66. And annexure 6, page 67. Kindly turn to
Page
page
67.
57. On 17th January, then the respondent number 5 sent a letter to me, to the petitioner, stating, please refer to our letter dated 8th December 2023, and wherein you are advised to submit initial security deposit and the specified document. We regret to inform you that your candidature has not been found to be eligible for RO dealership on basis of
What is this RO retail
RO
outlet?
retail outlet. Lordship, retail outlet. RO means retail outlet.
Okay.
We are regret to inform you that your candidature is not found to be eligible for RO dealership on the basis of document submitted by you for reason is detailed below, lordship. Reason, lease agreement not registered and hence not considered under group 1 category. And document WRT land detail mentioned in application.
Documents WRT land.
WRT means that relating to pertaining to the documents like map and all. Map. along with registered land document, map, land possession certificate, along with the map.
WRT.
WRT, maybe. They have mentioned WRT sort. But what is the WRT? They have not specifically mentioned in the brochure. And lordship, there after what happened, reason. The reason for rejection of my lease agreement.
That means your lease was not registered as per.
Registered. Sir,
And you have also not mentioned your this landed documents in your application.
all uploaded. I will come to the point also. Now, the clause 4, in case you have any grievances against the rejection of your candidature as mentioned above, you may make your representation by 27 January 2027. Representation or grievances as part of their voucher rules, grievances may be placed. They will give the sufficient time. Then, lordship, what happened? Page 68. Kindly, lordship, turn it to page 68. Page 68. We have submitted our grievances on 18. They have sent us letter on 17. Then we placed the correction on 18. Application, your reference letter number so and so, 17/124.
When did they submit their letter?
Yes, lordship.
When did they submit their letter? The letter was on 17th Wednesday, 17th January.
Yes, they have
18th January.
on 18th. We have sent the correct registered document.
That means initially which you had
We
actually
had-
uploaded was not correct.
Initially, we uploaded the notarized one, notarized document, notarized list deed. So notarized list deed that didn't accept. So they have told us to give a correct document. Then we place a grievances. So we placed our
No,
grievances.
They have never told you to give the correct documents.
No.
Yes.
Then in Edbart,
Yes,
Para
yes.
two.
Where is the letter asking you to give the correct documents?
no, they have
Where
said,
is that letter?
lordship, as per there, they have said that in case you have any grievances against the rejection of your candidature as mentioned above, you may make your representation on 27 January
Okay.
by 27. As per these grievances, we submit our grievances on 18 on the next day itself, along with the correct document. Lordship, on 18th, we submitted along with the correct document that is in our letter closed para to 2. Inadvertently, a notarized copy of the lease deed for the same plot of land was uploaded while submitting the application instead of the registered lease deed. And para 4, actually a notarized copy of the lease deed was made for written a valid photocopy of our personal record, which however inadvertently got uploaded. We request to accept the registered lease deed bearing registration number so and so dated 16/9/2023 for the same plot of the land executed on 16/9/2023 with the owner and other and offered in my application number so and so dated 19/9/2023 for the Arrow dealership at so and so lordship. So this already we have sent along with this registered document that is in para number 69. So it's page number 69. This is registered document. So earlier we uploaded a notarized one inadvertently. Lord.
Whose fault is it?
Lordship.
Whose fault is it?
No, for
Uploading the notarized copy and subsequently submitting the correct lease deed copy.
Lordship, that's my fault. But still, then there is provision that I may make a correction as per the voucher. There is provision for correction. So thereafter, we submitted on the next day registered document list deed, registered list deed, along with other relevant document. Then what happened, Lordship? Till thereafter, there is no response from their part. They could reject me instantly on giving a reason. But after their letter dated to place grievances, we have placed our grievances along with the relevant document. Then Lordship, what happened? I was waiting for a result. As I selected, I deposited my initial security deposit amount as per their requirement. Then Lordship, what happened? I came to know through sources and through their portal that on 12 February, they have passed one order, issued one notice to the other 27 applicants. Before it was 28 applicants. Now, on 12 February 24, they issue one letter to the one of the applicant, which is Lordship in page number 71. Page number 71, Lordship. To the one of the applicant, they have sent a letter. Please refer your application number so and so for on above mentioned region dealership. We are pleased to inform you that you have qualified for draw of lot for selection of RO dealership for dealership. You are requested to be present personally along with photo identity card issued by any government department on 22 February 2008, 10 hours, following address at Hotel Rajdhani, Guwahati. Lordship. Again, same that package. They are going to.
Who is this Teki Ayum?
He is one of the applicants. There was 28 applicants in the beginning. Then I got selected in the lot. Then in this is the next second order.
This is the
Press second order that issued by the respondent number 5. Second order. That means the
Have
lot.
you impugned this order? Have you impugned this order?
Yes.
Let us see your prayer. Let us.
Impugn order Lordship. Impugn order is at page number 67. 17/1/24.
And 17/1/2024 and 17/12.
Yes, it is 17/1/24. This is impugn order.
17/1, this is page.
Page number 67.
What about 71, page number 71?
71, that is 12/2. Photocopy so 28/6. 71 is page number 71 is also impugn order. There is 2 order. First,
Where have you impugned this page 71? Where have you impugned? Yes, you have not impleted
No.
this. You have not impleted Teki Ayum. You have not impugned the letter which is issued to this Teki Ayum. Your
Lordship,
petition itself is defective.
now we are challenging the order, cancellation order made on.
No. If I stay the cancellation order, the letter dated this issued to Teki Ayum still remains.
Now, rest 27 Lordship, TCIM is one of the
Please don't
applicants.
argue, correct your mistakes and come. We are not issuing any interim order. In fact, we are dismissing.
No, Lordship.
We are dismissing. Yes, you come with a fresh petition.
Okay, Lordship. I will.
You have not impleted Teki Ayum. You have not impugned the letter by which dealership has been issued to Teki Ayum.
Lordship,
Are
we have impleted that order. This is the 7th lottery, 7th December lottery.
Hey, Mister, you have not impugned the main letter.
Lordship.
Now the dealership has been awarded to Teki Ayum.
Then Lordship, I'll correct.
You withdraw this. You withdraw this and file a fresh writ petition.
Lordship.
This will not do. This will not help you in any way. Okay, you immediately come up with a fresh writ petition. Let us examine that.
Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file afresh. Prayer is allowed. Writ petition allowed to be withdrawn with liberty to file afresh. Okay,
Must,
yes.
Your Honor, Your Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Lordship, this writ petition has been filed for directing to the respondent authorities to expedite the process of framing of recruitment rules in respect of the post of Director Tourism in terms of judgment and order dated so and so by this passed by this honorable court in WPC so and so. And till that, Your Honor, Your Lordship, they have failed to comply with the order direction passed by this honorable court, and they have not framed the recruitment rules. Yeah. If I may take Your Lordship, if I may take to the order, it's in page 29 in and of page 23, operating para is 30.
Just wait, just wait. Are you agree by the fact that the post of director has been incarried to APSC officers?
Yes, yes, Your Lordship. I have been agree.
Yes.
My lord, I am for the tourism, my lord.
Right.
My lord, in compliance of the order passed by this honorable court, my lord, and while considering his representation, my lord, we have already drafted the recruitment rule, my lord. On our part, only we require some time, my lord, to get approval, man.
File your affidavit.
Yes.
File your affidavit.
Okay.
Who are the respondents? You are for the state. Madam, you are for the state.
Yes.
You are standing counsel?
Yes, my lord.
Tourism?
Yes, my lord. For 2 and 3.
2 and 3, okay. So it is 2 and 3 who will be filing the affidavit.
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so. The learned standing counsel, Tourism Department. Government of Arunachal Pradesh. 6 for 3 weeks time. To file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed. List it accordingly. File your affidavit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Item number 6.
May I plead, my lord?
Yes.
6.
My lord, this matter relates to, my lord, payment of solution, my lord.
Land management.
And my lord, may I just
Just wait, just wait. Yes, madam.
Yeah, my lord, we need some more time, my lord.
Where is M. Kato? What is his role to play in this case?
Now for respondent number 6. my lord.
my lord, in this case, NHI DSL is the party, and NHL DSL is represented by Ojing Pada. But the matter, I will pray that this matter can be disposed of. In the
At least let them file affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Or
Otherwise-
else I will pass a notice saying that this court has is not the price of the facts, so dismissed.
No, my lord, I will just pray that on the cover case, my lord.
The MS so-and-so, the learned government advocate. Government advocate.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
For the respondent,
6, my
6,
lord.
my lord.
6. You will be filing the affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
It is granted 4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
4 and 5, they have filed, my lord.
4 and 5.
Yes, my
4 and 5.
No, man.
4 and 5, they have filed affidavit.
Okay.
Apply.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this matter also regards to the solution bonds, payment bonds. In this matter, lordship, they need to file the affidavit. lordship.
Here also, ma'am,
Yes, madam, here
Same.
we need some time.
same prayer.
Yes, madam.
4 and 5, they have filed their,
No, no,
Affidavit.
I'm appearing for respondent number 4.
I'm appearing for 3 and 6, madam.
you are for 3 and 6.
3 and 6.
And you are for 4.
Yes, lordship.
What about the union?
Union has to file appeal lordship. I don't know why. they
Mr.
are-
M. Kato, lordship, he is appearing for the.
How, where is M. Kato? This morning, I think I have seen his shadow.
He's another. And respondent number 5, your lordship, is appear by the R. Sekia, lordship, highway lordship.
This is government of AP. Who is representing?
I'm appearing madam, for 3 and 6, madam.
3, why not 5?
5,
5 is chief engineer, highway, government of AP.
Lordship, it was being represented by
Standing
R.
counsel.
Sekia, standing counsel.
for highway, madam.
Oh. Mr. M. Kato, the learned DSGI. For the respondent number 1 and 2. Comma, MS so-and-so. The learned government advocate for the respondent number 3 and 6. And Mr. So-and-so, the learned standing counsel for the learned standing counsel, land management department for the respondent number 4. And the learned counsel for the respondent number 5 are allowed 4 weeks' time to file their respective affidavit in opposition, listed accordingly.
Deeply obliged. lordship.
Item number 8.
Lordship, here I need some more time to file affidavit.
Ma'am, you are for respondent,
For 1 to 5, all the respondents, Your Lordship.
a government advocate,
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS so-and-so. The learned government advocate for all the respondents. The learned government advocate submits that he may be allowed, how much, 3 weeks' time?
4 weeks, Your Lordship.
He may be allowed 4 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Okay.
Item number 11.
Your Lordship, we have been informed by the petitioner, our this senior petitioner, that he's having some personal problem, my lord. So we are actually ready here for argument today. Admission are hearing.
Argument, this is admission, whether you have filed your affidavit.
Affidavit, they have sent for betting, law betting. So I need
You
some,
are for respondent number?
I'm for the state rate. 1, 2. 1 and 2,
1 and 2.
yes.
My lord, I'm for private respondent number 3. We are filing it today. Most probably they might have been served with the copies also now. By
You are for respondent number 3. Who is for the petitioner?
I'm for the petitioner, madam.
Okay. So you are filing your affidavit in opposition today, and you are actually making a submission that you are ready for hearing today,
my
without giving any opportunity to the other side. Abba, ajib hai bhai.
actually, it was in last order, it was this it was mentioned.
Let us do justice. Let us do justice. At least. This is only 2024 recent registered case.
My lord. Okay.
You're the standing counsel,
Yes.
Mr. So and so. The learner standing counsel, RWT. Six for some time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2, correct? Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the respondent number 3 submits that he will be filing the affidavit in opposition in the course of the day, correct?
My lord.
Listed after 4 weeks.
Much obliged.
Your lordship, affidavit has to be filed by the respondent. May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 1, 3, and 4.
Just wait, just wait.
I beg to pray for some granting of some time.
Just wait,
Lordship.
you're for respondent number,
In item number 12, your lordship, I'm for 1, 3, and 4.
item number 12, that is WPC
475, your lordship.
475, you are for
1, 3, and 4.
1, 3, and
4, your lordship.
4, and
In WPC 445, I am for 1, 3, 4, and 5, your lordship.
what about the other respondent?
Respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2.
Yes.
Will it be necessary for you to file affidavit?
No, it will not be necessary.
What about this, 6 National Highway, NHIDCL?
Yes, your lordship, Mr. R. Sekia, he's appearing for National Highway, your lordship.
MS so and so. Learned government advocate. For the respondent number 1, 3, and 4. In WPC 475 of 2022. And for respondent number 1, 3, 4, and 5. In WPC number 445/2022. 6 for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. None appears for the respondent number 6.
Your lordship, there is 5 also, your lordship. 5 in, no. 5 in 475, your lordship.
Pardon?
In WPC 475, your lordship, respondent number 5 is appeared by the M. Kato, Mr. M. Kato, your lordship.
You were saying 1, 3, 4.
Yes, your lordship. Yes, your lordship. I'm
You
appearing
were
for 1, 3,
3,
and 4, yes, yes.
Ah,
Yes.
and you are seeking time to file
Yes,
affidavit. That is what is recorded?
Mm.
Okay. Okay.
Obliged. Much obliged.
My lord, here, I'm supposed to file rejoinder, my lord. So my lord, I may be given some more time, my lord, since, a petitioner is out of station, my lord.
Mr. Swenson, the learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed 2 weeks' time to file rejoinder affidavit. Okay.
And my lord, interim may be continue, my lord.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Fifteen.
Yes, yeah, my lord, respondents yet to file their affidavit, my lord.
Your Lordship, in this matter, we need some more time, Your Lordship. At least 3 week time may be given for filing counter affidavit.
For respondent number 3.
For respondent 1 and 2, Your Lordship. One and 2, Your Lordship.
One and two.
Yes, sir.
Who is for this 3?
3 is private respondent, my lord.
That's why.
It's supposed to.
Whether service has been served. Unserved notice is returned back from JMFC Tawang. What happens?
Then my lord, will take previous step, my lord.
Fresh steps.
Yes, my lord.
By what means?
By usually register, my lord, again, my lord.
Even the notice served through JMFC Tawang could not be affected. What to do? What is the matter about?
Transfer letter.
What is the matter about?
It is. Transparent.
Transfer.
Transfer.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether the transfer order has been stayed.
Yes, my lord.
Stayed.
Yeah, interim is there, man.
Interim is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is that interim order? Which order?
9/8/2023, my lord.
Ma'am, you are for respondent number
1, Your Lordship.
1 and 2. MS Swenson. The learned counsel for the respondent number 1 and 2. Six for 2 more weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Where is allowed? Okay, you take fresh steps. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take fresh steps for service of notice, upon the respondent number 3 by registered post with AD
Yes, madam. Usual, madam.
as well as by usual process
Yes.
within a period of
1 week.
within a period of 7 days from today.
Madam, interim order is there.
No, interim order is absolute. It's not subject to any condition. Interim order, let us see. Interim order is shall remain state. There is nothing stating that till the next returnable date. Nothing.
Yeah.
Yes.
What will it? My lord, in this item also, respondent yet to file their affidavit.
Respondent number.
Other, only respondent number 3 have
Worship.
filed their affidavit, my lord. Rest of the respondent, my lord, yet to file their affidavit.
4, 5, and 6.
I'm appearing for respondent number 1 to 5, your lordship. 3, we have filed, your lordship. 4 and 5, we are yet to file, your lordship.
4,
We need
5,
some time.
and 6. Who is 6?
6 is the private respondent.
6 is private respondent.
Yes, my lord.
File your affidavit. We give you 3 weeks time.
Yeah.
Yes, my lord.
MS so and so. The learned government advocate, as well as Mr. So and so, the learned counsel for the respondent number 6 are allowed 3 weeks time to file their respective affidavit listed accordingly.
My lord, here interim order is there, my lord.
There's also transfer. Or
No, my lord.
No, no transfer, lordship.
Was passed on 21/8/2023. my lord.
one
21,
21
21/8/2023.
21/8/2023.
Yes, my lord.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Much will.
Item number 17.
Lordship, here also I'm appearing for respondent number 1 to 3, your lordship. I need time.
Who is for the petitioner?
Petitioner.
You are for respondent number
1 to 3. Private respondents are also there, lordship.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, 4 to 6 are the private respondents.
MS so and so, the learned government advocate. Submits that she may be allowed to file affidavit in opposition. She may be allowed 3 weeks time.
4 weeks, your lordship.
She may be allowed 4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Stop. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner, nor on behalf of respondent, on behalf of the respondent number 4, 5, and 6, listed after 4 weeks.
Obligation.
Item number 19.
Thank you. 18.
1.
Item.
18.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, this application is filed for revocation of suspension order. Lordship, in this case,
You have not taken steps on respondent number 5?
respondent, Lordship, we have taken a step through the government, because he's also a government employee.
Through the,
Government, we have already furnished the requisite document required.
who is
extra copies.
respondent number 5?
Respondent number 5 is Lordship,
It's a private respondent.
Lordship. Lordship, this is a superintending engineer, inquiry officer. So we have furnished the required extra copies to the government.
But by name, Lordship, he has been
By
indicated,
name.
Lordship.
Yes.
That cannot be accepted. An office note states that steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5 not yet taken.
Okay.
Take steps.
Okay, Lordship.
MS Renso, the legal counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by registered post BDD within a period of
1 week.
within a period of
1 week.
7 days from today.
Yes.
Listed after 3 weeks.
But, right.
Stapler, where is the stapler?
Yes. If I may, Lordship. Lordship, this writ petition has been filed for release of our documents and issuance of appointment letters that are pending due to an investigation that is being conducted by the SIT.
States upon respondent number 1 to entry not yet taken.
One,
You are
two, three.
appearing?
I'm appearing for 4 for SIT, and we were directed to produce the status report. Accordingly, we have received the status report this morning. So since
What is a 1 to entry?
Entry is education department.
No, 1 to entry. Oh, 1 to entry. What is your role in the case?
Pardon, Lordship.
What is your role in the case?
Looks like I'm appearing on behalf of the company. I'm not standing counsel on behalf of standing counsel. In fact, we haven't received the advice coming from the company.
What is your case basically?
No, Lordship, basically the case.
What documents are you seeking?
Lordship, actually, when the appointment process was initiated, during that time, we have submitted the original documents. They have been seized by the SIT because there was an allegation that some fraudulent documents were used for getting job under the sports code. So accordingly, all the documents of all the participants, all the people who have candidates were seized. So now the issue here being that the education department, as we have annexed the documents, they are ready to give us our appointment letter. But the problem being that the original documents are with the SIC. So unless they release the documents for verification, the education department cannot give us our appointment number. That is the basic case.
Yes, yes. Why retain their original documents?
my lord, so far the status report is concerned, my lord, only for the purpose of further investigation. In this case, my lord, already a charge sheet has been filed. And subsequently, supplementary charge sheet was also being filed. Now, those documents are being retained only for the purpose of further investigation. Otherwise, my lord, there's no any necessary.
But Lordship, our names are not reflected in the charge sheet. And that's
You can retain a certified true copy of that.
That can be done.
You can retain that.
Yes.
Why don't you actually hand over the original?
Yes.
That was one of the prayer made by us, the department, but it has not been considered by the SIC.
In a way, my lord,
If my lord pleases, there can be a direction, my lord, to release the original documents and retain the scanned copy of those documents.
Okay, let the respondent number 3 also file their affidavit. Because you are also seeking for a direction as to why respondent number 3 should not issue the appointment order.
Yes, my lordship, I have a small prayer if it could be considered.
Yes.
My lord, this matter as this appointment, this thing has been going on for a long time. So it's a small request that if a fixed date can be given for them to file their reply in a hearing.
And then let us dispose on the next date fix,
Lordship, can-
not in piecemeal.
Yes.
Not in piecemeal, okay, because actually you are actually willing to consider the prayer to release the original documents.
Yes, ma'am.
By retaining the scanned copies.
Yes, ma'am.
I was of the view that if that is the only prayer we can dispose, but here is a direction to the respondent number 3 to issue appointment orders.
Yes.
So let them, at least we will hear them, after that we will pass orders.
Lordship, can it be fixed on 5th of March, Lordship? 2 weeks will be. given.
That Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Goodman, so-and-so, on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, on behalf of
Standing Council Education.
Emma T. Tado,
Tapun.
so-and-so, learned standing counsel, education department, and Mr. So-and-so,
Hearing, my lord, a special PP SIT.
the special PP SIT. The learned counsel appearing on behalf of the standing counsel submits that sometime may be granted to file the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Where is allowed? Listed on 5/3/2024.
Much obliged.
Obliged, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. May I please, my lord?
Hmm.
My lord, this matter relates to appointment of Arunachal Pradesh State Electricity Regulatory Commission member
Hmm.
under bracket law. So eligibility is that he should be practicing as a district judge, or he should be eligible for the High Court judge.
If it is a lengthy hearing, I may not be able to take it. I am not feeling very well.
Yes, it will take time, my
What it will
lord.
be- Yes, Mr. Indranil.
This is likely to take time. Quite a few factual and legal issues are involved.
So,
In fact, that is why I was requested to assist your lordships in this case.
Hmm.
matter cannot part heart. Can
Without hearing, how can part?
two, or we can take at 2 p.m.
We'll take a chance next week.
Next week, my lord, I have some difficulty. In that case, it has to go. Can it be 11th of March? ma'am?
My lord, I am appealing for the respondent number 4.
Who is 4?
Yes,
Who is
I'm
this
the
one?
person who has been selected as a member.
Okay, okay.
I've been appointed and have joined. I'm discharging my duties as a
This is regarding Electricity Regulation Commission member?
Selection of the,
member.
Okay.
selection and appointment of the.
So my lord, 11th, I'm having some difficulties. Can it be on 18th, my lord?
You have a consensus?
18th.
My
18th, I am okay, ma'am.
view was that if not this week, then next week.
Well, 18, can we have on 13, Monday, 13th? Yeah, usually Monday, it should be, we will prefer Tuesday or Wednesday, Thursday, within that, it can make it.
So you fix a consensus.
On 15th in that case, madam. 13th, I have a matter fixed in, important matter fixed in Guwahati.
15, okay, that's okay.
15th.
Okay.
15th.
And record was also called, whether.
Records will get the records, we'll produce the records.
Records should be made available also.
Records of what?
Of the
Records from?
of proceedings, the appointment proceedings, my lord.
Records of the proceedings of what?
Appointment, my lord.
Selection.
Selection of.
That will produce, madam.
You have not produced.
It has to be placed on the record.
We will place, during the course of the hearing, we'll place the records, original, in our original.
So in any case, we could not have heard today without the records.
Records, I think the records are available. The standing council was instructed directed by this honorable court to keep the records ready for.
So
hearing.
records are there.
Records.
Records are there.
My lord, it should be placed, my lord, otherwise.
We'll place it.
Listed on
15th.
15/3/2024. The learned standing council for
The power department.
for the power department is directed to produce the records relating to the relating to the selection of the respondent number 4 as the member, Arunachal Pradesh Electricity
Regulatory Commission.
Regulatory Commission. Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged.